Foot on the gas, dog in the back, half a tank and a beaten up track. Sun in our eyes, salt in our hair, don't know where we're going, don't even care. Radio's crackling, beat up song, we just nod and drive along. It's a trip to nowhere, maybe somewhere else, past the signs, beyond ourselves. No GPS, no need to be found, just follow the road till it turns around. Could be a beach, could be a hill, could be nothing, but it's ours and it's real. Yeah, it's a trip to nowhere, and we're loving it still. Windows down, we just killing time. Stop for a burger and a dodgy wine. The kid is asleep and looking sweet. Dogs chasing dreams in the passenger seat. We're laughing loud and nothing much. This kind of peace you just don't.
Hey Bobby, do you want to go for a ride? Say, sure I can. Off in here. Yeah, it is. Yep. It was hot in the 80s, mate. You had to sit on a seat and just sat on it. Sucked it up, princess. Ready? You want to go home? Where's your home? Over there. Can you do me a favour and pull the handbrake on? Handbrake. This one. This one, you got to pull this one on. You're home, but you got to pull this one. Pull the handbrake. Don't want to roll away. Yeah, that's better. Now you can hop off. See you later. See ya, Barbie.
It's a trip to nowhere, maybe somewhere new, where the skies stay wild and the views stay true. No inbox, no plans, no city sound, just gravel roads and the world unwound. Could be a roadhouse, could be a stream, could be a town where nobody's been. Yeah, it's a trip to nowhere, with a full tank dream. No need for postcards, no need for proof. We're chasing sky like it's some kind of truth. The tires hums low, the miles just fade. We're not lost, we're just unafraid. It's a trip to nowhere, and we're not looking back. Got love in the sea and life in the track. No map, no boss, no one to tell. Just a trip to nowhere or somewhere else. Wherever we land, we'll call it home. As long as we're driving, we're never alone. So if you see us drift by with a grin, waving to the dust and the places we've been, that's us taking the long way out to nowhere or somewhere, no doubt. Threw the last bag in, slammed the tailgate tight. Mom's got the snacks and the maps held right. One kid sprawled with her headphones on. Boxers in the back, just riding along. Said we'd talk about it one day soon, but now we're chasing that outback moon. No more bills and city stress. We want less chaos and a lot more less. Where are we going now? chasing skies with a silence roar, leaving behind the locked front door. From the coast to the desert brow, tried and loaded with a brand new vow. Where are we going now? Wherever we want right now. Boxer's head hanging out the side, dust in the mirrors, nothing to hide. We pull up where the gums lean tall, the kid chucks stones by the waterfall. Mom lights a fire, I stretch my spine. This kind of living ain't marked by time. No alarm clocks, no boss's voice, just the sound of our own damn choice. Where are we going now? Down dirt tracks we can't pronounce, through town with more dogs and rules, where locals wave and no one's cruel. No schedule, no daily grind, just stories, stars, and peace of mind. Where are we going now? Well, freedom don't need a route to find. We ain't lost, just letting go of pressure plans, and no, 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 the road don't ask for reasons why. She just says drive, go on, try. Tracks in morning dew, heard storms roll in with a thunder cue. The kids sleep sound in the van each night, dog curl close, fire burning bright. We might settle someday maybe, but for now it's just us and our little maiden. No screams, no noise, just open land, and four muddy wheels that understand. Where are we going now? Not sure, but we'll work it out, with a Triton twin cab leading the way, and a heart that beats for each new day. We're not lost, we're just out here,